If you want to create a brand new Walmart account, then you have come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a brand new Walmart account. So let's begin. First, after opening your favorite browser, in the address bar, you're going to enter walmart.com and press enter. Now, in this homepage of Walmart, at the top in the right side, you can see sign in account. So let's select it and a pop-up will appear. In there, you need to select sign in or create account. Now, in this email address field, we're going to enter our email address that we want to use for our Walmart account. So let's continue. Now, in these fields of first name, last name, phone number, and create password, we just need to fill in our first name, last name, our phone number, and create a password, a secure one, which includes a capital letter, a symbol, a number to make it strong. Once you fill out all the details, you just need to click on continue. Now, one thing about the phone number is you may not get the code in your phone if you are in a country where Walmart does not operate. So once you have entered the code that you have received in your phone, you just need to click on verify and create account. After that, you will have successfully created your Walmart account. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. And if you still have any questions or problems related to registering your account, then you can comment them in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye-bye.